नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20। A compound on analysis gave 80% X, atomic mass 60 gram per mole, and remaining percent Y, atomic mass is equal to 5 gram per mole. The molecular formula of compound will be. For this we have to solve first empirical formula, then we have to determine molecular formula. Two elements are given, X and Y. As X is 80%, remaining percentage 100 minus 80, 20% Y. Let us find out the empirical formula. We know the procedure. Percentage of X 80, percentage of Y 20. First determine atomic ratio. Percentage upon atomic mass of X. Atomic mass of X is equal to 60 gram. 80 upon 60. This value come to 4/3. Then percentage of Y is a 20. Its atomic mass is a 5. Here atomic ratio 4. Then let us compare this ratio. 4/3 and here 4. And least ratio is determined by dividing each atomic ratio upon smallest atomic ratio. 4/3, 4. 4/3 is the smallest one. Therefore, divide each atomic ratio by 4/3. 4/3 upon 4/3 is equal to 1. 4 upon 4/3 is equal to 3. We have X is equal to 1 time, Y is equal to 3 time, and this formula is suitable. Now look here, what should be the molecular formula? This is the empirical formula. X1, Y3, and this is suitable to this X2, Y6. Let us here 1 का double है 2, 3 का double है 6. करेक्ट आंसर X2, Y6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 देखते हैं। इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, ये परसेंटेज कंपोजिशन पर डिपेंड है। 50 ग्राम मिक्सचर ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट एंड सोडियम क्लोराइड on heating gives 10 gram carbon dioxide gas. The percentage of sodium chloride in the mixture is. These are here options. देखिए इस न्यूमेरिकल में क्या दिया है, मिक्सचर दिया है कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट और सोडियम क्लोराइड दिया है। ये टोटल इसका वेट है, ये 50 ग्राम है। सपोज हम कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का जो वेट है उसको x कंसीडर करते हैं, फिर NaCl का वेट कितना आ जाएगा 50 माइनस एक्स। ओके, पहले वेट डिटरमाइन करेंगे हम। देन कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट NaCl कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस लिबरेट हुआ है, तो इसमें एक्टिव पार्ट है कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट। NaCl एक्टिव पार्ट नहीं, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट एक्टिव पार्ट है, दैट गिव्स अ CO2 गैस। तो हमको ये इक्वेशन मिलेगा, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट हीटिंग गिव्स अ कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड एंड अ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस। इसका मोलर मास हमें पता है, कैल्शियम 40, कार्बन 12, 3 ऑक्सीजन 48, ये आता है 100 ग्राम, 100 ग्राम पर मोल। और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का मोलर मास है 12 प्लस 32, 44 ग्राम। नाउ अब स्टोइशियोमेट्री देखो हमको क्या बताती है। सिंस 44 ग्राम जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस है वो उसको 100 ग्राम कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट लगेगा। Stoichiometry 1 mole 44 gram, 1 mole of calcium carbonate 100 gram. 44 gram carbon dioxide requires here 100 gram calcium carbonate. Then how much quantity of this carbon dioxide is for 10 gram. Therefore 10 gram of carbon dioxide is equal to, let us see here that this is direct value of X. 10 gram is a for, this is direct value of X. Then 44 into X is equal to 100 into 10. Here X is equal to 1000 upon 44. This ratio comes to 22.72 gram. This is, now look here, X is nothing but the weight of calcium carbonate. Then this is the weight of the calcium carbonate. Therefore, what is the weight of a sodium chloride? Weight of sodium chloride is nothing but 50 minus X. 50 minus X 22.72, that is the weight of calcium carbonate, and this value come to be 27.28 gram. What is the value of this quantity of sodium chloride in the mixture? 27.28 ग्राम. हमको तो पता है, अब हम परसेंटेज मिक्सचर कैसा निकालेंगे? परसेंटेज ऑफ दिस सोडियम क्लोराइड, परसेंटेज ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड is equal to weight of sodium chloride 27.28 into 100 upon the weight of the sample or weight of the mixture is a 50 gram. 2 answer come 54.56%. Correct option is B. Question number 22. Chlorine has two isotopes, Cl35 and Cl37. If the average atomic mass of chlorine is 35.452 atomic mass unit, then the percentage abundances of a Cl35 and a Cl37 respectively are, these are the options given. Now this problem is based on the average atomic mass of the element and a percentage abundances of different isotopes. Chlorine has two isotopes, Cl37 and a Cl35. Let here percentage abundance of chlorine 35 is equal to X percent, and a percentage abundance of Cl37, only two isotopes are there, is equal to 100 minus X. The formula of the average atomic mass and a percentage abundances of isotopic elements is this one. Average atomic mass in this chlorine is a given of chlorine is equal to, here atomic mass of this chlorine 35 is here 35 into percentage abundance X, 35 into X, 35X, plus another isotope Cl37, here atomic mass 37 and its a percentage abundance is 100 minus X whole divided by 100. We know that the average atomic mass of a chlorine is a given 35.452 atomic mass unit. This is the well-known value, 35.452 is equal to 35X plus 37 into 100, 3700, 37 into minus X minus 37X. And this 100 comes here. We have 35.45.2 is equal to minus 2X plus 3700. Then this 3700 comes here. We have minus 3700.0 is equal to minus 2X. Then we have here, let us subtract this one, minus 3700.0 plus 3545.2. This is equal to 84510 is equal to minus value, this one is equal to minus 2X. Minus minus sign gets cancelled. Therefore we have 154.8 is equal to 2X. Therefore 154.8 upon 2 is equal to X is equal to 77.4% X. And what is here X? Percentage abundance of chlorine 35 is equal to 77.4. Cl35 77.4, this is the option, and 100 minus X, 100 minus 77.4 is equal to 22.6%. C is the correct option. Question number 23. 25 gram 80% sample of calcium carbonate is heated. The volume of carbon dioxide gas evolved at STP is dash liter. This is again the percentage purity related and stoichiometry related problem. For this one, let us write the chemical balance chemical equation. calcium carbonate on heating gives calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. See here, 1 mole of a calcium carbonate, we know that the molar mass of calcium carbonate is equal to 100 gram per mole, and we have to find out the volume here. Here, how many mole of carbon dioxide gas is a form here? 1 mole. 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas is equal to nothing but 22.4 liter. This is a standard value. As 100 from the balanced chemical equation, since 100 gram of calcium carbonate liberates evolves 22.4 liter, then 25 gram of this calcium carbonate liberates X liter. Here cross multiplication, 100x is equal to 22.4 into 25. X is equal to 22.4 into 25 upon 100. The value comes to 5.6 liter. But when this 5.6 liter is obtained carbon dioxide gas, if percentage purity is 100%, this is regarding 100% purity. We get 5.6 liter carbon dioxide gas if the percentage purity of calcium carbonate is 100%. But in the numerical, just 80% sample of a calcium carbonate is a pure sample is here. 80% calcium carbonate. Then let us calculate 5.6. 100% purity pure sample of calcium carbonate liberates 5.6 liter carbon dioxide gas. Therefore, 80% pure sample of calcium carbonate liberates X liter carbon dioxide. Cross multiplication, 100x is equal to 5.6 into 80 is equal to 5.6 into 80 upon 100. This value comes to 4.48 liter. Option is D correct.